Hey, are you looking to up your affiliate marketing game? Then you should check out my free Affiliate Marketing Edge training program. It gives you instant credibility and authority. With so many people working from home, working reduced hours or, unfortunately, having lost their jobs, there has never been a better time to promote affiliate marketing offers. Thousands of people are searching for ways to make money online, and they're looking for someone who can show them how. With Affiliate Marketing Edge training program, you become that trusted advisor. Once they get to know, like, and trust you, they are ready to ask you for your help and recommendations. That's exactly what this training program will do for you. This exclusive free video training instantly establishes you as the expert in the affiliate marketing niche. The videos give you enhanced authority by giving you a detailed A to Z on how to build a profitable business online with affiliate marketing. This exceptionally detailed, high-quality training will increase your like trust factor and position yourself as an authority in affiliate marketing. By getting instant free access today to Affiliate Marketing Edge training program, you can quickly and easily position yourself as a highly skilled affiliate marketer and expert, significantly increasing your ability to promote offers and make money instead of being in that constant hamster wheel buying loop. Everything is explained step by step so anyone can get on the fast track to success. That ends today with this program, Affiliate Marketing Edge training program. Join Affiliate Marketing Edge training program for free today. Let's take a look at what inside this 7-part Affiliate Marketing Edge video training series. 1. Affiliate Marketing Basics, exactly what you need to know to start affiliate marketing, avoid costly mistakes, and begin to earn a real income online. 2. Affiliate Marketing Setup, quickly source the tools you need to get set up for success, including a domain name and hosting. 3. 4-step process, generate traffic, capture their details, turn them into hungry, targeted leads, and convert them to satisfied customers. 4. Putting it together, the secret of working back to front so that you ensure all the elements fit together to generate sales. 5. Email, why email is still an essential tool for building your know, like, and trust factor and ensuring your business continues to succeed year after year. 6. Lead pages, how to give things away for free so as to ensure that your business makes way more sales. 7. FAQs, the typical questions people ask when starting an online business and the real answers they need to hear. Building a following, building trust and rapport, this is what creates a snowball effect of sales, but you can skip losing thousands of dollars and years of struggle and frustration if you get this course now. Join Affiliate Marketing Edge training program for free today.